Take a ride in the 2017 Lincoln MKZ. With sharp angles, sleek lines, and a sculpted body, the Lincoln MKZ has an impressive stance and a dynamic design. Add that to the clean, modern interior with standard features, including rich leather, exotic wood, and a sophisticated assistant that responds to the sound of your voice, and you'll see the MKZ offers a new dimension of luxury. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, anti-lock braking system, steering wheel audio controls, keyless entry, power passenger seat, remote engine start, stability control, traction control, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, keyless start, cruise control, four-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, floor mats, AM/FM stereo radio. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.